Okay, so today I'm going to be making some hair ties, and I had poured this a little while back using epoxy resin and this mermaid mica powder by Small Tongue. And I'm just going to go ahead and demold these. I'll make a couple using this, and then the rest I'm going to go ahead and use UV resin. So these are pretty. Don't know how many I'm going to make with it, but for right now I'm just going to demold this and then we'll decide. So I have some black mica here. I don't want to add too much because I don't want it to have trouble curing, but I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit of the UV resin into here. And I'm going to do too much. Let's just see. Just the tiniest little bit. There we go. This is just a black mica that I had bought from Temu. It's not a name brand. Also bought that a little while ago too. So I might want to put a little bit more resin in there. So that might just be too much. I want it to be able to cure, so. And just put a tiny little bit in there. It's plenty, maybe too much. Again, I'm gonna have to add a little more. Resin, because that might have trouble curing if not. So I'm using the Let's Resin UV resin today. So let me just mix that up very well. I'll let it sit for a few minutes here. Okay. Just want to get out any clumps. And then there's the, okay. This gold is by Small Tongue Mica.
Who am I to give advice? I'm nobody, but take a listen. Just like everybody else, I've got a story. I don't know how to say it nice. I shine it up and make it glisten. All I know is I believe and it's reassuring. When I was out, when I was down, somebody told me something so simple, but I follow it till this day. Hey, go follow your rainbow. Hey, don't believe when they say no, say no. Hey, go follow your rainbow. Now don't you believe them? Don't believe when they say no. I know what you might be thinking. That'll never work for me. Too young, too old, too poor. They're just excuses. So when you get down and you bottom out, remember this little something. Hope is what'll help you find your way. Hey, go follow your rainbow. Hey, don't believe when they say no, say no. You got to go follow your rainbow, and you'll find your pot of gold. Hey, don't you believe? Don't you believe that? Look deep inside your heart. Well, what do you see? Are you finally free? If you only take a chance. Now who am I to give advice? I'm nobody, but you better listen. 'Cause I'm that little voice inside your head saying, hey, go follow your rainbow. Go follow your rainbow. Hey, don't believe when they say no. you better listen.
Alright, I think those look pretty good. So now the next step is using this little nib thing that I have here. It's really hard to see. It's just, I got these from Etsy. They're just like, they look like a little horseshoe. So basically you put your hair tie through it like so. And then I think I am going to need another glove. And then you UV resin it to the back to create the hair tie. So basically, let's see which one is totally done. I think this one here. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to flip this over, and right in the center, I got this pulled back. Right in the center, we'll put just a little bit of UV resin, stick that on there, and then with my hand on it, I'm going to go ahead and start curing it until it can hold itself. Same thing, get it through the middle, pull it tight. It's probably hard to see because I get black gloves. But basically, you want it in between those two pieces. Turn this over. Turn a little bit in the middle. Press it down. Turn it on. Hold it. So here is what we got. Which one is your favorite, you guys? Let me know in the comments below. I'm interested to know. I think my favorite is the abalone. It's either the abalone or this one with the hearts. I'm not sure. I can't decide. So anyhow, This has been fun. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.